Hi, good evening. Welcome back to sharegiants. Now we will see how our markets, Asian markets in Europe and US markets performed on Friday. Dow Jones gained 76 points and closed at 15,072. Nasdaq gained 33 points and closed at 3,807. Whereas Nikkei lost 132 points and closed at 14,024. Straits Times lost 6 points and closed at 3,138, and Hang Seng lost 75 points and closed at 23,138. Taiwan gained 5 points and closed at 8,364, and Kospi lost 2 points and closed at 1,996. European markets all closed in green. FTSE gained 4 points and closed at 6,453. CAC gained 36 points and closed at 4,164, and DAX gained 25 points and closed at 8,622. Sensex gained 13 points and closed at 19,915, and Nifty lost 2 points and closed at 5,907. On an intraday basis, if we see, Nifty opened at 5,891 and made a high of 5,936 within 9:35. From there, it moved to a low of 5,923 around at 10 o'clock. There it consolidated. Immediately within 20 minutes, we hit a high of 5,948. Then slowly we started to move down. Within another 28 minutes, we moved to a low of 5,887. Then we consolidated and moved to a high of 5,936 around at 12:30. From here, we made a fresh high of 5,950.45, almost at 215. Between 12:30 to 215, we traded in a band of just 10 points. After hitting 5,950, we started to fall heavily and we made a low of 5,897 around at 3 o'clock. So in intraday we made a low of 5,885 and we made a high of 5,950. Sensex opened at 19,870 and made a high of 20,052 and a low of 19,833. Now we will see about advanced decline, number of scripts. Advanced 1,408 scripts advanced, and decline is close to 1,345 scripts, unchanged at 928. We will see about commodities. Brent crude closed with a gain of 0.46%, almost at $109.50. Gold lost 1.3% and closed at 29,089. And silver lost 0.9% and closed at 48,197, whereas natural gas lost 1.68% and closed at 216 rupees 10 paisa. If we see currency, yesterday rupee gained 30 paisa against dollar and closed at 61 rupees 44 paisa, and it gained 1 paisa against euro and closed at 83 rupee 28 paisa against euro, and it lost 3 paisa against pound and closed at 98 rupees 36 paisa. Top gainers in NSCR, Hindalco gained 2%, Lupin gained 2%, BPCL gained 1.8%, Bharati gained 1.2%, and Tata Motors gained 1%. Whereas Dr. Reddy's lost 2.3%, Jindal Group lost 1.9%, Power Grid lost 1.9%, IDFC lost 1.2%, and Axis Bank lost 1.1%. If we see top gainers outside Nifty, Cinemax gained 20%, Just Dial gained 20%, Sham Telecom gained 20%, BEML gained 16%, and Renaissance Jewelry gained 15%. Losers, Primal Gas lost 5%, M&M Forging lost 5%, GM Breweries lost 5%, Era Infra Engineering lost 5%, and Future Life lost 5%. If we see about our calls, we have given 3 buy calls and 3 sell calls. Buy calls, JP Associates made a high of 38.80 and a low of 36.10. So it has given you a return of close to 7.48% from the low. And Asian Paints made a low of 470. From there it made a high of 476, giving you a return of 1.2%. Whereas Bank of Baroda made a low of 511 rupees 45 paisa and it hit a high of 523, giving you a gain of 2.26%. And we have given 3 sell calls. We have given a sell call on Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever made a high of 609 and a low of 600, giving you a return of close to 1.48%. ITC just moved to 337.50 and it made a low of 335.50. It has just given you a close to 2 rupees, that is almost 0.5%. Bharati made a high of 332.20 and a low of 326.40, giving you a return of close to 1.75%. Today, that is on Friday, none of our calls triggered the stop loss. So tomorrow watch our calls, morning calls and resistance and support. Nifty will be having a heavy resistance at 5950 and it will be having a good support around at 5850 in coming weeks. For more, visit our website www.sharegiants.com. If you have any queries, post it in YouTube.